Hello and welcome back to Tech Dive. Nvidia is setting its sight on one of the world's most underserved and potentially transformative markets to keep its incredible growth streak alive. For investors watching Nvidia's meteoric rise over the past year, it's easy to feel like the ship has already sailed. After all, Nvidia's stock has more than tripled in the last 12 months, making it a darling of Wall Street and a shining star of the AI boom. But here's the thing, just because Nvidia has soared doesn't mean its story is over. If anything, the company's continued evolution suggests that there might be plenty of runway left for future growth. Past performance, while impressive, doesn't lock Nvidia into a static future. In fact, its recent moves indicate it's targeting even bigger opportunities that could unlock new wealth for patient investors, from AI chips to emerging frontiers. Nvidia's explosive growth over the past year has been powered by one undeniable force: the ravenous appetite of major tech companies for its advanced GPUs. These chips are the lifeblood of AI data centers, and businesses have been snapping them up like concert tickets to a Taylor Swift show. In fiscal 2024, which ended on January 28, 2024, Nvidia's revenue skyrocketed by 126% to over $60 billion. It's a growth story that would make even the most optimistic investors raise an eyebrow. Much of this growth came from a handful of the world's largest tech companies, often referred to as the Magnificent Seven. These AI giants include the likes of Microsoft, Amazon, and Google, and have been responsible for a significant chunk of Nvidia's sales as they scramble to build out their AI infrastructure. However, this rapid expansion has also been geographically concentrated. As of March 24, the United States boasted 5,400 data centers, far and away the leader. For comparison, Germany, the UK, and China each hovered around 500 data centers, while India, despite being the most populous country on Earth, had just 152. That imbalance is what Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang is keen to address. He's not just content with dominating existing markets, he wants to spark a revolution in the world's most promising region, India, turning India into an AI powerhouse. In recent months, Huang has been outspoken about Nvidia's commitment to transforming India into a global leader in artificial intelligence. At a late October fireside chat with Mukesh Ambani, the billionaire chairman of Reliance Industries, Huang emphasized Nvidia's vision for India. With nearly 1.5 billion people, India represents not just an enormous population, but also a treasure trove of untapped data and an emerging user base hungry for technological advancement. Huang sees India as more than just a potential market. He views it as a future hub for the next phase of AI innovation. He wants to partner with India's industrial and technological leaders to build AI infrastructure that will propel the country into the forefront of the global AI revolution. As he put it, the effort could enable India to be at the center of this new industrial revolution, where data fuels intelligence at scales across industries. Why India? The logic behind Nvidia's India push is undeniable. First, India is a land of vast potential, with a rapidly growing economy, an increasingly tech-savvy population, and a burgeoning digital infrastructure. The foundation is already being laid for an AI boom. However, the country remains underserved when it comes to AI-ready infrastructure, particularly data centers. India's 152 data centers pales in comparison to the thousands in the US, highlighting the massive opportunity for growth. Building out AI capabilities in India isn't just about catching up. It's about unleashing the potential of 1 billion-plus people who can benefit from the transformative power of AI in industries like healthcare, education, agriculture, and beyond. Secondly, Nvidia is uniquely positioned to capitalize on this opportunity. The company already has a significant presence in India, with over 10,000 engineers working there. Huang has even floated the idea of manufacturing semiconductor chips in China, signaling a long-term commitment to the region. Third, Nvidia isn't just about making moves, it's about already taking action. The company has partnered with Reliance Industries to build AI infrastructure in India, a collaboration that could pave the way for massive growth. Given Reliance's diverse business interests, ranging from energy to telecommunications to digital services, their partnership could touch nearly every aspect of India's economy. India's data, the secret weapon. India's greatest untapped resource might not be its population or its economy, but its data. With nearly 1.5 billion people generating staggering amounts of information, the country is a sleeping giant in terms of AI potential. Nvidia recognizes this and is positioning itself to harness India's data goldmine. By building AI infrastructure in India, Nvidia can help businesses process and utilize this data to create intelligence-driven solutions at scale. This could transform everything from how crops are managed in rural areas to how urban planning is approached in its sprawling cities. For Nvidia, it's not just about selling chips, it's about becoming a cornerstone of India's AI-driven future. Is it too late for investors? For those who have been watching Nvidia's stock price climb, the inevitable question arises: is it too late to get in? The answer, according to many analysts, is a resounding no. Yeah, Nvidia's shares have tripled in the past year, but that doesn't mean its growth story is over. If anything, the company's aggressive expansion into underserved markets like India suggests it's just getting started. Harsh Kumar, an analyst at Piper Sandler, recently reiterated his bullish outlook on Nvidia. In a report, he highlighted Nvidia's dominant position in AI accelerators and the upcoming launch of its next-generation Blackwell architecture. Kumar sees Nvidia as well-positioned to capture the lion's share of the growing AI market, even as competitors like AMD and Intel try to carve out their own niches. Nvidia's next chapter. Investors who have ridden Nvidia's wave over the past year have already seen their portfolios supercharged. But for those who are still on the sidelines or looking to increase their positions, there's plenty of reason for optimism. Nvidia's move into India isn't just a strategic expansion, it's a bold bet on one of the world's most promising markets. By targeting India, Nvidia is opening the door to a new phase of growth that could rival or even surpass what it has achieved in more developed markets. For long-term investors, this could mean significant upside as the company solidifies its role as a global leader in AI. Final thoughts. The AI gold rush is just starting. Nvidia's journey over the past year has been nothing short of extraordinary, but it's clear the company isn't resting on its laurels. From dominating the US AI market to setting its sights on India, Nvidia is proving that it has the vision, resources, and ambition to keep growing. For investors, the message is simple. Don't let past performance scare you away. Nvidia's story is still unfolding, and its expansion into underserved markets like India could be a game changer. Whether you're looking to add your position or jump in for the first time, Nvidia's long-term potential makes it a compelling choice for those aiming to build a portfolio for the future. The AI revolution is just getting started, and Nvidia is leading the charge.